Hey everybody, welcome back to Prep School. So in this episode, I'm going to tell you what a vegetarian diet is all about and walk you through 2 insanely easy recipes from our vegetarian meal plan that meat eaters are sure to love. People who follow a vegetarian diet or people who simply eat more plant-based foods have a lower risk for heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. And a vegetarian diet has also been shown to make weight loss easier. So whether you already follow a vegetarian diet or are just looking to go meatless more often, our easy meal plan and delicious recipes make it super easy to eat meat-free. So up first are our mushroom quinoa veggie burgers with special sauce. So if you're one of those people that think people who follow a vegetarian diet don't get enough protein, think again. Quinoa, a high fiber whole grain, and it's also high in protein. And then of course, beans and lentils packed in some fiber and protein. So I'm gonna get going making this quinoa veggie burger. So into the food processor, I need 1 large portobello mushroom. Sometimes dirt that the mushrooms grow in can get trapped in here. So I just take a spoon like this, those gills there that could potentially have a little sand in them. So that is in there. I need a cup of these black beans. The recipe calls for almond butter, but I have peanut butter, so I'm just gonna use peanut butter. So next up, I need some mayonnaise in here. And I always add mayonnaise to my burgers, plant-based or not. Pepper, a smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Now we're gonna pulse this. This is all nice and blended up. What I'm gonna do is transfer this mixture to a bowl and then add in my cooked quinoa and some oats to help give these burgers some texture. It is recommended that you let this chill in the fridge before you make those patties. I like using a plate when I know it won't be long and it's not like it's gonna spill. So into the fridge this goes. Okay, and now for the special sauce that goes on top of the burgers. I need about a tablespoon of ketchup, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, garlic powder. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Cover this and pop it in the fridge for when we're ready to eat. Up next, we have our 5-ingredient peanut butter energy balls. The 5 ingredients, it's super easy, and you can really mix in whatever you want. It starts with 2 cups of oats, and then a cup of peanut butter, and then I need a ½ cup of honey. Yes, there is some added sugar in here, but paired with this healthy fat and these whole grains, it's not gonna spike your blood sugar like eating straight honey would. So next up are some chocolate chips. Some for good luck. And then shredded coconut, which I love. And I bought more because you could totally roll your little energy ball in some of this if you want to. So you just want to mix basically until everything's incorporated. That is nicely mixed together. You can use a teaspoon, but I do have this measure scooper, which makes it really easy to get the perfect amount every single time. There you go. Yum. That is so yummy. Okay, so these yummy energy balls can go in the fridge for 3 days, or you can pop them in the freezer for up to 3 months. So anyway, back to it. Red onion. I love a little red onion. Ooh, that's strong. I love these like multicolored tomatoes. I just think they're so beautiful. All right, so next up are the burgers. I am going to just form them into 4 patties. Super easy, right? All right, let's get these burgers going. For my skillet, let's go medium. I have some olive oil here. That is looking hot. I'm gonna drop in these. I'm gonna do 2 at a time just so I have plenty of room to flip. Everything that's in them is cooked already. What we're really trying to do is just get a nice crust. There we go. Doesn't that look just like a beef patty? Look at that. This is awesome. Take this one off. Look at that. There we go. Yummy special sauce here on the top and the bottom. I'm gonna go for this yummy looking patty. It's a really nice crust on there. This lovely lettuce, fresh from my garden. Thick slice of this beautiful heirloom tomato. Yummy red onion here. All right, the time has come. Woo. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's amazing. You can taste that like umami kind of meatiness. That is something. Honestly, like, you don't miss the meat when something is this delicious. And I know I have stuff all over my face. I'll get to it. So not only are you getting fiber from the quinoa mushroom veggie burger with special sauce, but you're also getting protein, a very similar amount to what you get in a normal beef or turkey burger. You're also getting much less saturated fat than you get in a beef burger for sure. You can get this recipe plus our yummy peanut butter energy balls that we made earlier, plus all the other delicious meal and snack ideas, and our 7-day vegetarian meal plan. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Eating Well for more videos. Happy cooking, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.